Steps of my father today, worked till I froze and my face turned grey, and all of my fingers calloused and worn to the bone. And I felt like a child in a world full of men, trying to capture that something again, strong as an ox but slowly turning to stone. From this room dark and grey, smoke hangs in clouds and the old echo plays, and music is soft, music is soft, and the voice is hushed, and the boy he has loved, and man he has lost. Now out in the rain, all over again. I felt the touch of my mother today, gently pushing me forward again, closing my eyes but still feeling the way. And I'm clutching her fingers through crumples and creases. I came to my senses, it cut me to pieces, 'cause I needed more, but I was pulling away.